Just a minute. Yeah, we have seen the example for reading these things. Okay, we have seen the functions. Yesterday we discussed with the read functions. Okay, today we are completing the reading data. Okay, so first function is, I already said, read function. Read function is used to read the n number of characters. Okay, suppose we mentioned 10 character means 10, for example, n value we given 10 means 10 character only it will read. Okay, from the file. Okay, and read line, yesterday we discussed only the how to write into the file. Today only we are going to see about how to read, that is how to retrieve the data or fetch the data from the file. Today our concept is this one. Okay, read line is this one. Just a minute. Read line concept is this one. Okay, second thing, read line, it will read a line by line. Okay, and read lines, another one is read lines function, read all the lines from the file. Okay, we'll directly go to the example program, then you can easily understand it. Okay, for example, let me discuss this concept. Okay, this program, our own program. Okay, for example, you know that a equal to a is a, can you say what is a? What is a here?
Object.
Very good. This is a file object. Good. And then second line print statement. By using the loop, we are getting the name. I'm just getting the name for a single tournament. That is a volleyball event only. I'm getting the name. I given on homework also. Let you think about your homework. If you try, it means it is good, or else you just tell your answer. Okay. At least try to submit today. Okay. So let me see this. So we got the by using for loop, we got the 6 names, and we stored in the, we are writing, you can see this line, highlighted line, a dot write function. Using the write function, we stored all the data into the file. Okay, how we are storing the file means a is object, through the object we are storing into the file. Okay, then finally I close this. You can see the second half, this highlighting portion. This is a new one for you, how to read from a file. Okay, for example, after you collected, you want to display all the name list means, you can see a equal to open of sample.txt, the file name, and read mode. I'm opening the file in read mode in order to fetch the data or retrieve the data from the file. Okay, then I'm just using the print statement in order simply to print volleyball tournament name list. Okay, then you can see this is very important line. For I in a dot read lines, I whatever variable, instead of I we can give whatever variable, it is not an issue. In a dot read line, what is a? A is the object to read, to access the file sample. In which mode? Reading mode. You can see this. That a is we open, we closed. After that there is no object called a. Have you understand? We are using the same object. Okay, or else we can use the different object, b equal to, okay, whatever thing. So b is object. I just, in order to avoid the confusion, I'm using b. Okay, now you can see b equal to open dot, we are opening the file in read mode. Let me come to the for loop. For I in b read lines, can you explain what is the use of read lines function? Last class and last before class also we discussed read lines function. What it will do? Can you recall? Read lines.
Read the file line by line.
Yeah, from the name itself we can say read lines function, read all the lines. How many lines we stored in the file, all the lines it will read and it will be printed, get printed. Okay, let me check into the file, 1 minute. We are opening the sample file. Already some names are stored, no, yesterday. Yeah, I'm just modifying it. I'm just erasing this one. Okay, let it will be. This is the file, Tejo from Commerce. I just updated. Okay, I just typed it. It is saved. Okay, I'm closing this. Very important. We should close the file. That is very important in order to avoid the corruption, or else the file will get corrupted. Okay, let you see. We completed the program. Be reading. What will happen? The b dot readline function read the lines, all the lines. First one line will be assigned to, first line will be assigned to I, then we are asking to print the I value. Okay, what will be in the I value? First line. Okay, first line will be get printed, and next line will be assigned to I. Likewise, a list, For example, list contains 5 elements means first element will be 0th element will be assigned, then first element, then second element. Likewise, all the elements will be assigned. No, can you catch my point? What I am explaining? It is understandable. Yeah. So the read lines function read all the lines from the file, and one line it is assigning. Okay. Single line it will be assigned to the variable. It may be I or J, whatever variable we are giving. So the first line will be assigned. The 0th line will be assigned. That will be get printed. Likewise, the for loop will execute till all the lines. Okay. Once all the lines will be completed, the B using the object B, we are closing the file. Okay, so I'm just running this program. You can see the output. First, it is asking to enter the names. Okay, or else I will do one thing. Already we stored no, so we will read only. I'm closing it. I'm making this is a command line. Okay, now this is the file. Okay, B equal to open that. We are opening the file for reading purpose only. Okay, I'm saving the file. I'm opening it. Already some data is stored. Let me check if data is there or not. Because we opened, yeah, it is erased completely. That's what I am coming to tell. If we are opening read mode and write mode means the previous data will be vanished. Okay, so for that we need to use a method, that is append method. Okay, now I will show it. Now the file is there. I am storing. I saved it. Now I am entering the file name. I am entering. You can say that any name. I'm just giving. Okay, I simply typing some letters. Okay, all the names are stored. Then you can see the file. I will show the parallel things. Okay, the volleyball tournament name list. Print. You can see the cursor. So that will be printed. Volleyball tournament name list. Okay, read line. The read lines function read all the lines from the file, and it will be one line will be assigned to the I variable. Then the I will be get printed. First Kumar will be assigned to I. Then Kumar will be printed. Next Q, next W, next R. Likewise, all the names will be get printed. Have you understand how to read the line from the file? Have you understood?
Yes.
Yeah. Now I will execute it. Now I will just it is permanently stored. Okay, now I am running this file again. You can see this now. So I am just avoiding the writing file. Okay, writing part I am just skipped. I just make it as a command line. I am just reading the file content using the object B. You can see. So using the object B, I am reading only. So all the data are already stored in the file. So then I am reading from the file. Okay. So now we understand how to read from your file using for loop. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So I will show another one example to you. Just a minute. Now I'm just opening this. This is another one file. This is another read line function. Okay, I'm using the read and read line functions, all the data. You can see a equal to open dot sample dot txt. Okay, or reading mode we are opening. S1 is a variable. Okay, S1 is a normal variable. There, what we are assigning a dot read line of 10. That means first line it will read the 10 lines. Okay, I will open the file. I'm typing some data. Okay. Let me say I just we are typing our school name. So from that you can understand. Okay. So I'm just typing the line by line. Okay, these are all the data I stored in the file. Okay, that I will just closing this file. I saved this file. I closed this. Now by using the object A, we are opening the file in read mode. Okay, then S1 equal to read line of 10. Okay, S2 equal to read line, empty read line. What the first one will be stored? Read line of 10 means first 10 character will be stored in S1. It will be it will be read, and that will be stored in S1. Okay, from for example 0 to 9 characters. Okay, 0 to 1, 2, likewise it is 10, first 10 character will be stored. Okay, from 11th character onwards, read line, the entire line, next line will be stored in S2. Okay, S3 further next line. Okay, S4 last line, or which is the fourth line, that will be stored. If it is fourth line is there, means in our file there is no fourth line. You can see it will read the 10 lines, I mean 10 character only. Okay, or else I will just execute this one. Just a minute. Okay, now you can see S2 equal to read function. Read function of, we are giving 5. 5 means what? First 5 character will be stored. I'm just printing the S2. S2 is a variable, and S3 only I'm printing. For first we will check with the read function. Okay. Okay. Now I have saved. Executing this program. You can see the output. 1 minute. Oh, this case. 1 minute. You can see this. Read a dot read. These are all comment line. Can you understand? I made this a comment line. S2 only the executable line. Okay. What is S2? By using the object, we are reading first 5 character from the file. Okay. You can see first 5 character JAYAP. Okay. The first 5 characters are read. Okay. We ask you to print the S2. That's why it is printed. Okay. Then S3 equal to a dot read. We didn't mention the character. So it will read rest of all the lines. Okay, rest of the lines is what? Actually Jayapriya, it is there, but it is printed in the next line because we asked it to read in second time. Have you understand the read function? Read function will read the entire file. We didn't give any argument means. We didn't mention any number means. Suppose we mentioned the number, that is number of character we mentioned means that much character only it will read. Okay. Then we need to print it, that we are storing in a variable, separate variable, then we are printing it. Okay, this is the read function. Okay, that I will go to the read line function. I will avoid it. I will just delete it. Okay, just using it, this 5 I am using. I am explaining the read line function now. Okay, so S1 and S2 and S3 it will be. Okay, now I am saving this file. I am executing again. You can see next line. Or it is 1 minute. You can see this. S1, what is the S1 variable will receive? A dot read line of 10. So first 10 character it will read from the first line. You can see first line, it may contain, okay, you can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's one space is there. Jayapriya space Vidyalaya we stored in the file. Can you recall it? You can see the space also there. So after that one space is there. So first 10 character will be stored. That is stored. That read line function will read, and that is stored in S1. Okay. Then come to the S2. S2 equal to read line. We didn't mention the space. We didn't mention the limit. That's why it is reading the rest of the lines. Actually, the first line itself, Jayapriya Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School is there. But we first statement we are reading. We are read only the first 10 character, and rest of the character will be stored in S2. Okay, then S3 first 5 character only we asked to read. Okay, but the third line contains the second line contains BDM only, 3 characters only. That's what it stored the 3 characters instead of 5. Can you understand this one? What is the use of read and read line function, or shall we go for another example? I need your answer. Could you understand what is the use of read and readline function?
Yes, sir.
What about rest of the students? Because I think you are
Yes,
big
sir.
quiet. Okay. Have a proper idea about the read function, read line?
Yes, sir.
Okay, pa. So if you have doubt means please ask, or else if you're having any confusion means you please ask me. Don't hesitate to ask. That's what I'm coming to tell.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, good. Read function and read line function. Okay, read line normally it will read a line by line. I will show again instead of that in order to avoid your confusion. 3 line we stored in our file. No, first line is what is content, our school name. Second line VDM. Third line is what? Computer science. We typed like that only, no? Isn't it? What, man, you didn't answer anything. So these 3 lines we stored in our file. Okay, I'm just closing the file. I'm just opening it again. You can see the function program with the object A. I'm opening that. I'm reading the 3 lines. First line that is stored in S1. Second line I stored in S2. Third line that is stored in S3. After that I asking to print the variables. Okay. I'm just executing this, running the program. You can see this. So all the 3 lines will be completely printed. Have you understand per read line function? First line read line means first line is read. After that, where the cursor will be there means before the VDM, the cursor will be placed. Then second line, you can see they come to the program side part. A dot read line. Again, we are asking to read line. That's what it is reading the second line. Okay, once the second line is finished means literally the cursor, not this cursor in file I am saying. Okay, in our stored file. Okay, the cursor will be placed in front of the third line. Okay, then in the third statement what we are giving in the program, come to the program, S3 equal to A dot read line. Again we are asking to read the line. Okay, so the third line also will be read, that also stored in S3. Finally we are asking to print the 3 variables. Have you understand what is the use of read line function?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, for example, if I give the variable, for example, read line of 5. Now I made the changes. You can see S3 equal to read line of 5. So third line, I need only the 5 characters, not all the characters. If I ask like that means I'm running again. You can see this. I'm running the program. You can see first line is printed, second line printed, third line, first 5 character only printed. You can see COMPU. Rest of the characters will not print because we ask you to read from the line. You just read, that is you just get the data of 5 characters only. Okay, this is the read line function. Okay, read function also doing the same job, but it will do by character, not by line. Read line will deal the text or character line by line. Okay, read function, only read functions are there. No, that will only deal with it character by character. Read of 10 means first 10 character will be printed. We didn't mention the number means entire file will be get printed. It will read all the characters. Even the empty space also considered as character. That's that you as you know it already. Have you understand the complete read function? How to read the data from the file? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, pa. So please be interactive. That will give an interest for the session. Okay. So this is the way to read the data. We are using 3 functions: read function, read line function, read lines. Okay. Using the 3 functions, we can able to retrieve the data or fetch the data or read the data from the file. Okay. We know how to store it, but how we want to print it means instead of opening the file through the program, how you want to read the name means by using this function we can able to read it. Okay, let me go to the slide. This is one example. You can see the example, you will get an idea. They given on paragraph, India is my country, that pledge they given. Okay, so all those how many lines are there? First line and second line, I shall always strive to be worthy of it, and third one, I shall give respect. Okay, 3 lines they typed. I mean 3 lines I'm saying. Line, it's not paragraph, I'm not saying. Okay, let you see this. S1 reading the first 10 character, read of 10 character. You can see the cursor. Is it better now? Now it is okay for you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can see string1, str1 is a variable using the my file is what? It is the file object. In order to open a file, data.txt. Read mode there, we open the file. Read 10 means what will happen? First 10 character only it will read. What is the first 10 character? India is 5, one space is there, that is 6, and is 7. Okay, 6 plus 2, 8, then 9, 10. India is M. That will be stored. You can see the output. India is M. Can you see this? 10 character means. Okay, then you can see next one, read 5. After that, the cursor now it is in before the after the M, because till M it read no. Next str2 equal to, come to the program, main my file dot
sir,
yeah.
So why you warn, sir? So totally 0 to 9 then, sir.
0 to 9 note. First 10 character. Yeah, of course 0 to 9. First 10 character count it. You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Space 8. Is there? No. Space. Space also considers one character. No.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 5, this is 6, and 7, 8, 9, 10. Till M, this is 10 character. No. The index is 0 to 9. But the character is count is 10. No. That is len of the character, likewise. Okay. So 10 character is read. Yeah, you can see the output. India is M, it's printed. Now the cursor is before, after the M. The cursor is literally showing in the file. Okay, that file, text file. Okay, next line what we are asking, str2 equal to my file dot read of 5. We are asking to read the next 5 characters. Okay, what is the next 5 character? Y space 2 characters are over. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Y space COU. Correct? No, that is the next 5 character. You can see the output. Y space COU. The last you can see. It is small only. You can keep your mobile or in the landscape mode. You can see better. Okay, instead of you can change it. Okay, oriented you just change it. Okay, the next one, string 3. That is str3 equal to my file dot read. My file dot read. We didn't mention the any character. Then what will happen? Can anyone answer? If we didn't mention the character limit means what will happen?
அதுவாவே select பண்ணிக்கும் sir.
It will select, but how many characters? Ispa, what is it? Yeah. If we didn't mention the any argument means all the character will be read. All the character will be read and stored in the str3. Have you understand? So till first one str1 contains India is M. Okay. Second character str2 contains Y space COU, and str3 will contain NTRY and all Indians are my brothers. All the data will be, all the character will be stored in str3. Now you can see the output. The third character you can see all the 3 lines till the last it's printed. Have you understand? You can see print output of the first read. First read means str1, that is we got the output. Output of second read, that is you can get. Output of third read function, it will read all the things because we didn't pass the number of characters. The limit we didn't pass the argument. Okay, so we didn't pass any argument. There is number means it will read all the things. Now you understand the read function. If you are mentioning the limit means it will read that much limit. If you didn't mention means it will read the entire character. Okay, this is the use of read function. You have to practice. By practicing only you will get the more knowledge about the read function, read lines. Okay, you just practice it. Homework and all properly do it. Okay, I have received only 2 students. From the 2 students, I don't know what about the rest of the students. Please do it. Have you understand this program, Pa? Let me go to the next. Yeah, next we go. Next example 2. That is also you can see the same thing. Read 10, read 5. So what is the first thing we'll do? Read function. We didn't pass any argument. Then what will be the output?
Entire will be fully
very
will
good. Very good. Very good. It will read all the data. Okay. Then what will happen? Read 10. Read 10. It is asking. Then what will happen? Next it is asking read 10. You can see output is nothing. Why it is? You can see output of first read, that is str1. What is str1 variable contains my file dot read without any argument. So it will read all the data all the data will be stored in str1, it will printed. Output of second one, we are asking to print the str2. What is str2? My file dot read of 10 line. First 10 characters, 10 characters just asking to print. Okay. It is nothing printed. Can you say the reason for that? Why it is it's not printed anything? I'm saying
Because
one word.
STR1
Everything is printed.
Very good.
in
Very
STR1.
good. Super nice. You got the point. Super. See, str1, it's read all the data. So where the cursor will be after the respect t is there? No. After the t, the cursor will be there for waiting for the next operation or next instruction to read the file or write into the file or whatever thing. Okay. The cursor is placed after the t. Okay, then what will happen? We are asking to what is our next instruction? Read 10 character. After the t, any 10 characters is there. Only space is there. We didn't type anything.
Yes, sir.
If space means that will get printed, but we didn't type anything. So there is no data, it won't print anything. You can see str3 also, my file dot read 5. After the 10 space, there is no character. That's what, there is no output. It is not printed anything. Have you understand? Okay, sometimes, because why you want this type of example means, sometimes you may give the command, but nothing will be printed. What is the reason you don't get confused? Immediately see the file, whether it is read all the things or not. Once it is read means, that is not. Okay, we cannot read it again. Then for that, we need to use the different function. Okay. CKG, that is SEEKG, that is pointer function. Again, we need to set the pointer to the, that is cursor to the first line. Okay, upcoming classes, we will deal it. How to use the pointer, how to move the cursor to the required position, that and all we will read it. Okay. So this read function, yes, as per.
Sir, doubt, sir, எனக்கு.
I didn't get it.
Doubt.
Yeah.
சார் இப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன்ல அது ரீட் பண்ணனால எல்லாமே வந்து சார் செகண்ட் தேர்ட் அவுட்புட்டே வரல சார். ஓகே, சப்போஸ் செகண்ட் லைன்லயே அது எல்லாமே வந்துருச்சு, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் தேர்ட்ல வராது.
For example, first line itself we ask you to read all the data, no? So all the data will be read and that is stored in one variable. We ask you to print the variable. Okay, where the once it is read means where the cursor will be at the end of the line, isn't it? Where is the end of the data? We didn't mention the limit. That's why the cursor will be blinking after the respect one word is there, no, in third line. After the third line respect, the cursor will be printing after blinking after the letter T. Okay, so there is no character. There is no, we didn't type anything. That's what it is not typed. For example, first we are asking my file dot read of 10 be given. First 10 only get printed. After the first 10 character, the cursor will be blinked. Second line, what we are asking, that will be get printed. Chandru, have you clarified, or you please ask your doubt?
சார் அப்படி இல்லை சார், நான் கேட்குற கேள்வி அப்படின்னா சார் இப்போ இப்போ என்ன சொல்றது சார், இதுவே இப்போ ஸ்ட்ரிங் டு மை ஃபைல் ரீட் எந்த ஆர்குமெண்ட்டே கொடுக்கல, சப்போஸ் செகண்ட்ல அவுட்புட் வந்துடும் சார். இப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செகண்ட் என்ன சார், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் தேர்ட் என்ன சார் ஆகும்?
You are asking in string 2 also we didn't give any argument. Then what will be the output you are asking? Isn't it?
Yes sir. அப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் தேர்ட் என்ன சார் ஆகும்? I mean output வருமா வராதா?
That is, output is there, man, but there is no character. No, that's what it is not printing. Output is there, but what is the thing? Empty output. It doesn't. There is no character. That's what it is. It doesn't read anything. First line you are asking, we asking to read the entire thing. We didn't give any argument. Means the entire thing will be read. No, the cursor, you just imagine the cursor. The line is blinking line is there. No, pa. Have you understood? In Word and all we are typing that blinking line. I will show that. 1 minute. For example, the cursor is blinked here. Okay, first the cursor, now you can see, maximize it. Where the cursor is before the J, correct? No? Have you understood? Where is the cursor? Before the J. I'm asking to read the first 10 character. So first 10 character will be printed. Suppose this is the first 10 character means. Okay. Then the cursor will be blinking here. Okay. Next I am asking to read all the data without any passing any arguments. I am just using the read. Then it will read all the data. Then where is the cursor? At the end of the thing only. After the computer science E, the cursor will be blinking. In the third instruction, I am asking to read the 10 character. Where is the 10 character? After the E. There is no data. No, that's what it is not. It doesn't print anything. Okay. Likewise, in the file, in our file also, there is no data after the respect. Okay, I shall give respect. That's what it is getting empty statement. Chandru, I hope you understand.
சார் நான் இப்பதான் சார் வரேனே.
Oh my God. Not an issue, not an issue. After that, you please call me. Okay, just a 1 minute is there. That's what. Okay, please call me. I will explain it. Okay. Okay. Oh, in between you missed the thing.
Okay, sir.
Okay, pa. Okay, rest of the students, you might understand this.